to Start Product Reviews. It's 2024, and we're diving into the best espresso machines of the year. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting your espresso journey, we've got the inside scoop on the latest and greatest. Join us as we unbox, test, and unveil the standout features that make these machines shine. From sleek designs to cutting-edge technology, get ready to discover the perfect espresso
Welcome to
companion
Start
for your
Product
daily
Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make the best choices for your lifestyle. Today, we have something truly special on the table: the Philips 3200 Latte Go Automatic Espresso Machine. The Philips 3200 Latte Go is designed to elevate your coffee experience at home. With its sleek design and advanced features, it promises to bring the cafe to your kitchen. From espressos to lattes, we've put this machine through its paces to bring you an in-depth review. Let's talk features. The Latte Go system is a standout, promising creamy and silky froth for your favorite drinks. The intuitive touch display makes navigation a breeze, and the 12-step grinder ensures your coffee beans are perfectly ground to your liking. We've tested the Philips 3200 Latte Go in action, and the results are impressive. The machine delivers a consistent brew with customizable settings for strength and temperature. From single shots to double espressos, it handles it all effortlessly. Latte Go system. The Latte Go system is a game changer. It's not just about the froth, it's about easy maintenance. The parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. No more complicated dismantling, just pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use and clean. Customizable settings for a personalized coffee experience. Latte Go system delivers exceptional froth. Sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Cons: water reservoir could be larger for heavy coffee drinkers. In conclusion, the Philips 3200 Latte Go impresses with its performance, ease of use, and innovative features. If you're a coffee enthusiast looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy barista-quality drinks at home, this machine might be your new best friend. If you've tried the Philips 3200 Latte Go, share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy brewing. Gadget Cadorna Plus Review: elevate your espresso experience. The Gadget Cadorna Plus is a powerhouse when it comes to brewing coffee at home. With its intuitive interface and a variety of customizable options, it promises to bring the cafe experience right to your kitchen. Let's explore what sets this machine apart. First up, let's talk features. The Cadorna Plus boasts a plethora of options, from customizable coffee strength and temperature to a variety of beverage choices, including espressos, lattes, cappuccinos, and more. The ceramic burr grinder ensures a consistent grind for a perfect cup every time. The one-touch operation makes brewing your favorite drinks a breeze. Simply select your desired beverage, and the Cadorna Plus takes care of the rest. It's perfect for both espresso enthusiasts who love to experiment and those who prefer a quick, delicious cup. If you're a fan of milk-based drinks, you'll appreciate the advanced milk frothing capabilities. The Cadorna Plus creates a rich and velvety froth, allowing you to craft the perfect cappuccino or latte with ease. Pros and cons. Pros: intuitive and user-friendly interface. Wide range of customizable options. Advanced milk frothing for delicious lattes and cappuccinos. High-quality build and sleek design add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Cons: the machine may be a bit noisy during operation. Performance: we tested the Gadget Cadorna Plus in action, and it consistently delivered exceptional results. The espresso was rich, the crema was perfect, and the milk froth was silky smooth. It's a reliable choice for both casual coffee drinkers and connoisseurs alike. In conclusion, the Gadget Cadorna Plus earns its spot among top-tier espresso machines. If you're passionate about coffee and crave a customizable, one-touch solution for your favorite beverages, this might be the machine for you. Share your thoughts on the Gadget Cadorna Plus in the comments below. Best semi-automatic espresso machines. Breville Barista Express Impress Review: master the art of espresso at home. The Breville Barista Express Impress promises to bring the craftsmanship of a professional espresso bar to your kitchen. With its built-in grinder and customizable settings, it's designed for those who crave the perfect cup of espresso. Let's explore what sets this machine apart. One standout feature is the built-in conical burr grinder. The Barista Express Impress ensures that your coffee beans are freshly ground just before brewing, preserving the rich flavors and aromas that make a perfect espresso. Achieving the ideal espresso shot is an art, and the Barista Express Impress makes it easier with precise control over grind size, dose, and extraction time. The result? A consistently delicious and aromatic espresso that rivals your favorite coffee shop. If you enjoy milk-based drinks, the Barista Express Impress won't disappoint. The powerful steam wand creates velvety microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, allowing you to showcase your latte art. Welcome to
The Start